pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video, and if you're returning, that means you're my gem. You've already subscribed and we're getting to know each other. And I'm really hoping that for the new people, this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship. Okay guys, so I have the Moxie Luxe products today that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be telling you how they worked for me. So if that's something that you're interested in, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're going to be using Boxycharm Luxe products that I got this month for June 2021, and we're going to do a look with this really cool looking palette, the Ciate London I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower palette. I'm super excited about this. I swatched a few in my video. It came with a mirror, and here are the colors, and I'm super excited that I got brushes because that means I can go another day without washing mine. So I'm excited about that. Oh no. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I don't have under eye concealer on because I'm not too sure about the fallout in here, but I wanted to do a nice look. I'm thinking, do we want to do browns? Pinks? Let's go in with a darker color on this Luxie brush. We're just going to go in with a brown and put this right in the crease. Emmeline Pankhurst. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's the name of the woman from our history that has made a difference. I don't know what difference it is because I'm not familiar. I'm sure I probably, if I looked it up, I'd be like, oh yeah, okay. But I do love this concept, celebrating women of history. Love it. Joan of Arc. I just think it's really cool. So here we are. We got some brown in here. Of course, I still have to blend. I want to take... Amelia Robinson is a beautiful color. Let's take that. I'll try to put the colors on the screen for you. I have a doctor appointment today, so I thought I would do a video while I'm doing my makeup. So far, I mean, I haven't blended, but so far the pigment is here. Yeah, this color. Come on. And Ciate London and I don't always get along with their eyeshadows, so if I like it, then it's good. Let's take this blending brush. Oh yeah, see, I don't like blending brushes that have little control at the top. They don't work as well. And that was my fear when I opened this set. I was like, It would be so much easier with a Jaclyn Hill or a Sigma brush to blend, or even this Luxie brush right here. Okay, that's better. Much better. Alright, let me go ahead and put a little bit more of the brown over here and of Amelia right there. I want to make sure everything is symmetrical and blended well. And even. So I do like my Moxie Luxe this month. I know a lot of people were not excited to get hand soap, but it's such a big thing, and it's like an added bonus. I mean, the box is $50, and it looks good in my bathroom, and I'm okay with that because I don't have to use soft soap. Again, soft soap is like 98 cents, but I didn't pay the $25. So I'm okay with that. And I am really liking these colors. Super pretty. I don't think we need to do a cut crease. I think we could just go in with this concealer brush and, ooh, what do we want to do? I like this one. Junko or Junko? I don't know. But we're going to try and build her up. It's a very weird brush. It's definitely meant for concealer, but at the same time, it's so small. Okay. This is definitely going to take some building. Let me build it up. Wow, this color, Amelia Robinson, is so much different on the eye than it is in the pan. It's crazy. I don't have to show you guys. It's just, I'll put the color on the screen of what it looks like, but it's different. It's really pretty though. Don't get me wrong. I went ahead and put the shimmer on my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with Rosa Parks, which looks gorgeous. And we're going to put that right in the center. Just for a little added pop. I probably will use this palette again. I'm just trying to look nice for the doctor, so I figured, let's put some makeup on and do my first impressions of this. Guys, I'm doing a video.
What?
I'm doing a video. Okay. Let me go ahead and grab my stiffy. And we'll go in with Ella Fitzgerald. These are pretty creamy. And put that for my brow bone highlight. And my inner corner. I really didn't have any issues blending. As long as you got a good brush, you should be fine. I mean, these shadows are pretty decent. I wouldn't consider Ciate London a luxury brand, but they do have some good products. Okay, I need to do under eye concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. Ooh, okay, where is my little blending gadget? Gonna use some Jacqueline's brightening powders. I'm really liking this a lot. Definitely put some eye cream on if you have mature skin before using this, so it doesn't settle into fine lines. Just make it really nice and hydrated underneath the eye. You can use her brightening cream for the under eye if you have it. I like it. Okay, so now I want to do some mascara and some lashes, and I got the Moxie lashes and I got the NARS blush. So I'm kind of hoping here that this magnetic eyelash will work well for me. It came in this case. Oh, I'm excited. So we're going to try this. Put on some of this liner. I cannot believe they give you this tiny little thing. It's like, okay. Oh, wow. The brush is completely stuck together. What is this? It looks a little weird and feels like glue. I'm definitely not liking the brush on this at all. No. Maybe it's something I just need to get used to. It's very possible. I just need to get used to it. interesting. Do you see how this works? It's really weird. But maybe it's just like a really good glue to where I don't have to put such a thick line like some of the other magnetic lashes. I had to use such a thick line. So maybe I won't have to. Just make sure it's nice and even. Very interesting. Alright, here's what I need. I need me this inner corner highlight brush. Yes. While I'm waiting for that to dry. Oh, I think the liner's getting in my eye. Probably should not have used it over here. I used a regular eyeliner. But I was kind of in a hurry, so I thought maybe it would work. I'll be careful, right? You know? Alright, let's see. So underneath the eye, Amelia Robinson. And this Emmeline Pankhurst. Smoke this out. Your little round brushes are perfect for this. Oh, I think I put it in the wrong one. Oops. Looks like my eyeliner has disappeared. Sometimes that happens. I have to put more. I like to make sure everything belongs, looks like it belongs together. I don't know what happened to my... Sometimes it's beneficial to put this on after you do underneath. Okay, so I got that. I'm nervous now. I wonder if these lashes are gonna work. What do you think? Okay. It doesn't look like I have to cut these. I'm like...
We're gonna take her pills yet, right?
No, I told her I'd wake her up at noon.
Well, so
Oh, wow.
It's 10 after.
Okay. Go ahead and wake her up. Wow. That liner is pretty amazing. Oh, I just have to get it right to lay on my eye. Oh wow. Okay. Is it gonna work? It looks like the other one worked. Looks like some of the eyeliner came off. Maybe it wasn't dry enough? What do you guys think? I've got a lash over here. This one like went on real easy. This one not so much. And it might be because it needs more glue. Or, let me see. Let's see. And I do have some of my real eyelashes in the way. Alright, let's let that dry. Give me a few minutes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just needed like a second coat, but this one's still not laying down quite as perfect as the other one did. I did try this Avent lip serum. It just dried down and kind of made them a little dry. I do have the NARS blush in Orgasm. We're going to put that on. It's like a, almost like a bubblegum pink. A little different. I do like the shade. Yeah, that's pretty. And this alone had a $30 value. Okay, so we've used some of our stuff. The brushes were okay, except for that one blending brush, which I kind of figured was going to be a problem. The magnetic lashes look pretty promising. I just have to get used to using this new liner. I think it's okay. I'm put some mascara on the lower lash line. As far as the palette goes, I'm looking forward to using it again. What colors would you like to see? I know a lot of you got this palette. Have you used it yet? Were there any colors in there that didn't work for you? Because sometimes it's not the whole palette, it's just a few shades, you know? So that would be something I'd be interested in knowing. Would I have bought this palette? No. There's so many choices out there I wouldn't have bought it. But because I got it in Boxycharm, and I do like some of the Ciate London products, of course I'm happy to get it. And I really like the concept of the history behind it. I think that's super neat. So I'm just going to throw on, I guess, a lip gloss. And I'll be ready to go to the doctor. Oof, really glossy. And smells like gloss. So as far as the Moxie lashes go, I think it's going to be okay. I'm going to definitely update you on that. And if you have any questions for me, put them down in the comments below. I am so excited you stayed this long for the video. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. And if you want to see another look with this palette, just let me know. Guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.